Hey guys, it's Josie, and today I'm going to be packing for vacation. So this year we're going to the Outer Banks, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I'm packing and how I pack and everything. There is a few days before we leave, so I'm not going to be packing like any of my bathroom stuff or everyday stuff that I need. That will be like the day we're leaving. So I just wanted to show you mainly like the clothes that I'm packing and swimsuits, and I have a couple other things that I'm not going to need between now and the time we leave. So I'm going to go ahead and pack those as well. And let's just get right into packing. This is my suitcase that I've been using for the past few years. It is a hard pink on the outside. It is the brand American Tourister, and it has this mesh cover over one side. It has this little pocket here in the middle. I don't usually use this. I usually just cover it right up. And then it has the clip on this side to hold everything down. And then I also have these packing cubes. Again, I'm not quite sure where they're from. I've been using these for a few years as well, and I really like them. The first thing I'm going to pack are my swimsuits, and this is because I already know what swimsuits I'm bringing, and I know that they all fit, so I don't have to worry about that. And also they're all sets, so I don't have to try and piece things together, where some of my outfits I'm not 100% on yet. So I will have to try those on, and that is why I'm starting with swimsuits. I'm also going to do my cover-ups and my towel. And I will have the swimsuit haul video linked above if you want to know where any of my swimsuits are from. And then I just have this strapless dress here as one of my cover-ups. I've had this for a few years and I still really like it, so I'm going to bring this one. And I'm also going to bring this white floral one. I believe it's from Cider. My sister gave it to me, so I will be bringing this as well. And then I'm also working on crocheting another cover-up right now. I'm probably going to have to bring this when we're driving because I'm not quite sure I'll finish it in time, but this is the progress so far. And I will obviously be bringing my beach towel, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in this packing cube or not, so I might just roll it up and put it in my suitcase towards the end when I have all my clothes in here. Now all my swimsuits and cover-ups are packed in this cube, so I can move on to clothing. First, I have this romper that looks like a dress, and then I also have this other dress that is very light and flowy and has a tie in the back. I just tried on everything that I wanted to try on that I wasn't 100% sure about, and there was a couple things that I did end up changing and switching out from what I originally planned. So I have this white like knit dress, and it's kind of like a midi length, and I think that it's very, very cute, and I have not worn it yet, so I'm super excited to wear on this trip. And then the final dress is this sort of cowl neck dress in this green color, and it has a slit in the front here and has a tie in the back. And then other pieces that are not dresses, I have these pink and white striped shorts, and I'm gonna wear this white tube top with them. For my denim shorts, I have this cropped tank top, and then I also have this sweater that kind of wraps around that I can wear over top of it. And obviously if it's warmer, then I can just take the sweater off and just have the jean shorts and the off-white crop top. And then some extra tops that I'm bringing. I have this off-white cropped classy network top I'm gonna bring, and I can always switch it out with this other off-white top, with this outfit. And then I'm also going to bring this green tank top that I got on vacation last year, and I wore it last year like over top of my swimsuit sometimes, so I might do that, and I can also again wear it with these shorts. Also, because I get cold really easily and I'll probably be cold inside our house if I'm not outside, I have this Outer Banks sweatshirt. Moving on to my pajamas. So I have these striped pants that I made, and I think I'm going to wear it with this blue shirt here. And then I also have these blue seashell shorts, and I'm going to wear my Kylia's Keenies t-shirt with them. Then I just have some plain blue shorts that I'm gonna wear this seashell top with, and then some Rugrats pajama pants with this dark gray t-shirt that has a flower on it and has a bunch of like flowers and a wave on the back. And for accessories, I'm just gonna take these earrings and also this layered necklace that I made. And then for shoes, I'm just gonna take these tan flip-flops, and then I also have a pair of black ones that are exactly like this, and one pair of sneakers. I just finished filming a vertical video, so I have all of my stuff packed now, all my clothes in this one, pajamas plus that extra tank top, and then on this side I have my towel. It's a little bit bigger than an average beach towel, so it takes up a little more room. And then my one pair of flip-flops, my swimsuits and cover-ups, and then this just has underwear and socks and everything. And then I also have this bag for like my self-care stuff, my face wash, all that. And I got a new deodorant for this trip, so I can keep using the one that I have now, and then this can already be packed away, but it's gonna go in my book bag for when we stay at the hotel. And then I also have this little bag. It'll probably be used for same thing, just skincare or hair care, stuff like that. Maybe my comb and brush and stuff can go in this one. But other than that, I am pretty much packed up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below, or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!